Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to replace Wise virtual Visa card. To do this process, we need to log in into our account first. I am already in my account. For your kind information, your account must be located in Europe. Then you will able to get virtual Visa card. So you can see here, this is my Wise account and this is the business account. Here is the business name mentioned. For security reason, I need to hide my business or company name. So this video topics is how we can replace our virtual Visa card. To do this process, we need to log in into our account first, and I'm already in my account. So after logging into your account, you will redirect to your account dashboard. So this is the Wise account dashboard, and you can see here send money, home, card. To replace our virtual card, we need to enter the card section. I am clicking here card section. By clicking on the card, you can see here already 3 card has been created. You cannot create up to 3 virtual card in your Wise business account. So I need new card. To get new card, I need to replace or delete anyone above this card. So I'm interested to replace this card, and card number is 7306. After replacing this card, this number will be changed. Those I'm interested to replace this card, so I'm clicking on the card. Okay, you can see here digital card, and here is the last 4 digit of this card, and you can also freeze this card. Those we want to replace this card, so we need to go on the replace option. So I'm clicking on the replace card option. You can see here many options is available. You can delete this card if you think that this card is no needed, then you can delete this card and create a new card. But I'm not interested to delete this card. I want to replace this card. If I replace this card will be deleted and a new card will be generated automatically with zero fee. Okay, so there is no fee to replace or create new virtual card in Wise business account, and you can create 90 cards per month maximum and 3 cards per day. Okay, so I'm interested to replace this card, so I'm clicking here the replace card, and here is a pop-up message, are you sure you want to replace this card? I'm clicking on the replace card. Okay, and you can see here your digital card is ready. Now we can see our card. Here you can see that our card has been replaced with a new number. Enter our card by clicking on the card, and you can see here, if you need to show your card number, just click on the card details button and your number will be shown here. Okay, so this is the process to replace your virtual card. For your kind information, you cannot create a new business account at this moment in Wise. So if you need a ready Wise account, you can contact with us to buy ready Wise account. We sell account regularly in reliable price. If you want to buy our service, you can contact with us. You will get our contact details in our video description. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe.